Good day, this 361st day, meaningful moments, 365 days. Only a few more days left of meaningful moments. And for myself, I have been really embracing these last few days of the year and getting ready for the new year, of course. Perhaps many of you are doing the same. And in my home, I celebrate the 12 days of Christmas, and that is just a little bit of something that makes this season extend this Christmas tide, so to speak, into the new year and into the blessings, but really in relation to all that's happening for us in the celestial realms, bringing down all these beautiful emanations in whatever way people practice it, and throughout the season, the holidays, and all the celebrations of light and illumination. But there comes a time in the festivities of all of this that you might find yourself needing to do some restoration. So this morning, for myself, I began, slowly but surely switching out the Christmasware and tucking them back in the cabinet where I don't use them all the time, and bringing out more of my everyday cups and mugs and plates and things like that. And I began to organize the food left over from some of the different trays and things like that we're celebrating the different beautiful preparations that people brought and shared over the days, and beginning to put away some of the more festive linen and things like that I have in my home, and little by little feeling that transitioning back into more of the everyday, and perhaps we could say ordinary life, and the closing of this season. Likewise, perhaps you've had some fun and enjoyed all those delightfully rich or even decadent foods and treats over the holidays. I know that I had my share of a few, and my sugar intake definitely spiked up a little bit, and now I'm just preparing. You saw me at the beginning of this live beginning with some Bilardi, and I'm beginning to restore my gut flora as well, and remembering to drink lots of water. And it's really important, especially if you've shared or are going to share or partake in that sugar and even just the rich foods. Perhaps you've had, I don't eat a lot of meat, but I have had a little bit of that. I don't have a lot of gluten now in my diet, but I shared a little bit of that. And other types of beverages, whether it's alcoholic beverages, a glass of wine or a beer or whatever that might be, a holiday cocktail, or even if you're just having a soda because you decided to have something over the holidays when you were visiting someone's house or something like that, whatever that might be. Here at PureEsperanza, we're never about judging what people are or aren't doing. We're all on this journey, we're all having these experiences, and there's always so many different perspectives to any one experience. But as you begin to find your way back into that balance, into that transition of ordinary life, and finding that level of restoration that is shifting that transition and bringing that balance once again, I'm just wishing you to have joy in doing that, and joy in all the awareness that comes into your restoration and in the year ahead for your intention and your purposeful living. Today for you on Meaningful Moments, in that restoration, body, mind, and soul. Aho, friend.